In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a professional cover letter with Grok AI. First, open Grok AI. You can do this by visiting the official Grok AI website or accessing it through the X, formerly Twitter, platform on your device. Make sure you're signed in and have a stable internet connection, since you'll be chatting directly with the AI. If you're on desktop, a browser tab works great. On mobile, the in-app browser or the X app will do the job. The key is simply getting to the official Grok experience, so your prompts are recognized and processed correctly. Next, open the Grok AI chat. This is the space where you'll type your request and provide the information the AI needs. Think of it like a blank canvas for your cover letter. Before you start, have the job posting handy so you can reference the role title, the company, and any requirements or keywords you want to include. Now, provide your details. Type in your personal background, the job position you're applying for, the company's name, and a few relevant accomplishments or experiences that match the role. Include measurable results if you have them, like growth percentages or project outcomes, and mention skills that align with the posting. Keep it professional and avoid sharing confidential or private data. You only need what's necessary to showcase your fit. Quick note: I've placed the official website link, and if you prefer using an app experience, a download link, right at the very top of the description so you can jump in quickly. When you're ready, ask Grok to write the cover letter. A simple prompt like, "Write a professional cover letter for this job, using the details I provided," works well. You can also say, "Generate a personalized cover letter using these details," to signal that it should tailor the tone and content. Once Grok generates the draft, review it carefully. Make sure the opening grabs attention, the middle connects your experience to the job requirements, and the closing includes a confident, polite call to action. Check that the achievements are accurate, the tone matches the company culture, and the length fits typical expectations, usually 1 page. If it needs refining, ask Grok to adjust the tone, make the language more concise, or emphasize specific skills or achievements. You can request variations such as a warmer voice or a more formal style, and direct it to highlight keywords from the job description for better alignment. That's how you can quickly write a professional cover letter using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.